Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri no ithiete na mbere na kugacirithia uheani wa njanjo ya murimu wa COVID-19 umuthi kuruguria ngari cia kuringa kona ciothe cia Nairobi ikiheanaga njanjo ino kuri aria matari maramiamukira. Akieria hindi ya kuruguria ngari ici mwandiki mukaru ministry no Susan Mochache ni augire ati gukinyaniria na riu gicunji kia 20% kia andu agima matire maramukira njanjo ino oriri kwina ho ya kiukanio gia gatandatu kia murimu uyu.
Looking at counties which have got a high population but the vaccinations are low, so that is the low hanging fruit, so we want to begin there, but we are also not going to leave behind the far and hard to reach places where the mobile clinic will go a long way to move and take the services closer.
Oho Mochache ni ashakaite kwambatira gwa ikiro kia ugwatania wa murimu uyu guku akiuga akenya aria matiaumukirite njanjo ino nio maracungiria gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
So when we had the major mass campaign that we ran earlier in the year, that was the intention, and we actually saw that on a daily basis we were vaccinating way over 200,000 Kenyans per day, and this will go along with the initiative of the mobile clinic to bolster those efforts, as we also plan for another major mass campaign.
Kuringana na ndagitari uma oruga kaunti ya Nairobi andu milioni 3.2 ni mamukirite njanjo ino, indi kaunti ino ni etongoretio hari gutherema kwa murimu uyu ikirumiro ni kaunti cia Kiambu, Laikipia, Garissa na Machakos.
Kliniki ino kana thibitari ino irathie kuria andu mari irateithĩrĩrio thitima nĩ riũa, koguo ndĩrabatara gũthiĩ handũ hena thitima na ndĩrahũthĩra generator tondũ nĩ generator na maguta nĩ ithũkagia rĩera. Ĩrahũthĩra hinya wa riũa, na hinya ũcio wa riũa nĩguo ũrahe free kũrĩa chanjo iraigwo.
Gukinyeria riu andu ana mari ICU na oigana rimwe ria 18 mari wodi-ini thibitari itiganite guku bururi-ini, na gicunji gia 3.9 hari igana kia aria mari na murimu uyu ni aruti wira ugima wa mwiri. Riu ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kihinyiriria Kenya kwiyumiria kwamukira njanjo eno.
Plan for another major mass campaign, because we know that when we have a dedicated effort in a campaign, we normally see a major outturn and a major increment in the number of people that are being vaccinated.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri tanyite gukorwo iheanite njanjo ino kuri andu othe mari iguru wa miaka 18 na kio gicunji kia 50 hari igana kia andu a miaka 15 nginya 17 gukinyeria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu.
Tanyite andu 70 hari igana 70% nio itanyite gukinyia kuhe njanjo mwaka uyu gikinya mwisho, na riu haria turi ni kuonania twina kahinda kanene muno ga guthie, koguo toici kliniki peke yake kinya andu no kinya metikire guthie thibitari iria cia hakuhi nao nigetha tuhote gukinyia target ya thirikari.
Ndeto ino yukite oriria Kenya macokereirie wikiri wa turembeko twa gukunika kanua na maniuru iri ta njira ya kwigitira kuma na murimu uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti ya Nairobi, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.